This one made Amber stop.
Because with a growing family like mine, I can see somebody building a future in a home like this. From the moment you step inside, you will feel how open and inviting this space truly is.
I can picture everyday life here. This unfinished basement gives you room to expand.
Not just for today, but for your future.
One of the most special parts about living here is being minutes away from Bryce Resort.
A place where you can go with your family to make memories year after year.
When a home makes you feel something special,
then you know it's worth seeing. So give one of us a call.
I'm Amanda Downs.
And I'm Amber Clem.